Oreri bururi uthiete na mbere na kugomerwo ni homa king'uki ya COVID-19 na iria riu itigite namba nene ya muingi utete mawira hamwe na wagi wa mawira mathina maria monete mbeu njithi igikuruhania na uthunduri niguo guteithiriria kurwo na homa iyo hamwe nayo iri ta njira ya kuona uboco wao wa oro muthenya. Imwe cia indo iria makoretwo magithondeka na imwe na macini cia gwithamba moko, sanitizers hamwe na turembeko, ino iri ta njira ya guteithiriria bururi hari kuhurana na homa iyo. Gicigo kia ubunge gia Githunguri goko ni kaunti-ini ya Kiambu mbeu njithi ni makoretwo mari muhari-ini wa mbere hari uthunduri ni kuona ni mahotete guthondeka mauriri maria makinyanirie ikiro cia gukorwo makihuthika ICU,
including the adjustments, the feeding table and all the features that make it even lockable and movable.
Mwena wa Kigathongo ni uria mutongoria wa mbeu njithi augite ni makoretwo makiamukira mawoni ngurani kuri ataramu maria mohigiriire uthunduri-ini.
To reach a stage like China where we have so many cottage industries and by that, like this bed we made here, we will be able to create so many jobs for the young people because as you can see we have so many technicians here.
Mwena wake Joseph Muhinja augite king'uki giki gia COVID-19 nigitiete bururi handu-ini horu hamwe na gutiga kihotometie ruhonge rwa rogima wa mwiri guku bururi-ini kiu kirikio ni gitumi kinene kiao gia guthundura macini icio niguo guteithiriria marigitari kurwa na kuhotomia king'uki kiu guku bururi-ini.
The requirements are more than what is available today. So the governor, my appeal to the governor, His Excellency Dr. Nyoro, is to assist us in having more beds, building us the capacity of the youth to have more beds, to make more beds for the hospitals in Kiambu.
Na ugi Paul Wagaruro na ule ni engineer wa kuma kambuni ya Hapman Technology Africa augite maurire macio makoretwo magithondekwo marathondekwo kuringana na wendi wa muguri na kuria augite thogora uria marakorwo makiendio ni thogora wa thi muno ukiringithanio na thogora wa kugura maurire macio kuma nja ya bururi.
To cover the deficit that is there when it comes to beds, because we know very well beds are needed but we don't have enough. Even the time it is taking for us to get those beds from China or wherever we will be getting them, it takes a lot of time.
Mwena ugi wa Garuru augite uthunduri uyu ni utigite mbeu njithi iri na mawira ni kuona muno kahinda-ini gaka bururi gomerwo ni king'uki gia COVID-19 ni gukoretwo na unyihu wa mawira. Mwena ugi akiuga o muthenya umwe ni makoragwo makihota guthondeka maurire makiria ya 10.
Depending with the machines we can put here, we can do up to 10 beds per day. And that means engaging more technical people to do the work because all you need are the dimensions and the equipment.
Handu-ini hagi kuyuhoi ni jitikaga njuguna wa Gitau.